Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I think all of us know the struggle of driving and then your phone starts to die. For me personally, I know that struggle on a daily basis. I need something that is going to keep my phone battery going very well, and this does the job perfectly. This is the AINOPE Qualcomm Quick Charge car charger. It plugs into your cigarette lighter and it plugs in perfectly because the size of this is small, so it actually fits perfectly flush with the setup. The charge is just insane with this. It'll charge my phone faster than any other car charger I've had, so I really love that. And it has 2 ports, which is perfect for if you have someone like a passenger, or if you're someone who needs to plug in a GPS device or a camera or something in addition to your phone. So I really appreciate that as well. So I really love this product, and I highly recommend it to anyone else who is looking for a good car charger. 10 out of 10, and that is my point of view.